Gardening is a hobby that many people enjoy. Not only that, it is therapeutic and it is also fun. Right? It can be an activity that brings people together. As the Singapore's gardening ambassador, I have helped many to set up community gardens where people in the neighborhood can come together and grow plants together. So today, here are 5 ways to meet new gardeners and learn from one another. Way number 1, join a community garden. A community garden is a place where gardeners comes together and grow things together and grow things that they like. And you get to mingle and share your experience and learn from one another. And the best thing is that there is always someone to take care of the garden, right? And of course, you all share the joy, you all share the harvest together. This is by far my favorite way to meet like-minded gardeners, and this is also how I met many gardening gurus. Way number 2, participate in online forums and Facebook groups. Right, there are many gardening groups out there that you can join. Right, online forums give you the opportunity to look at what others are growing, right, what others are doing. And often they do share their seeds, their cuttings with one another. And there are also local online gardening groups that you can join, where they usually organize like outings or excursions to gardens, to nurseries, like together, buy plants and share knowledge. So this is how I got serious in gardening, where I met my mentor by participating in Green Culture Singapore, an online forum almost 12 years ago. So joining that group allows me to have a lot more opportunities to learn more about gardening, meet new people, and become a better gardener. Way number 3, take out gardening courses. My students who attended my workshops, many of them become lifelong friends who not only share the same hobby, but because they attended the same course, they all have the same skills, the same kind of knowledge. And they continue to learn from one another. And they even form their own gardening groups where they buy plants together, grow plants together, and they learn together. And some courses also have these community groups set up for the graduates. These are where the graduates hang out to meet more gardeners, learn from one another, because all of them have the same skills, the same kind of knowledge. Way number 4, attend gardening events. Your city, your country may have gardening events once in a while. In Singapore, we have the Singapore Gardens Festival. We used to have other kind of events like Garden Tech, like the orchid shows and other events. These events often have booths where the local societies, the various societies come and set up where they can invite you to join their club. You will also have a chance to meet other gardeners, right, showcasing their plants. You can ask them questions on how to grow them, what are the tips, what are the techniques that they use, and really learn from them. And way number 5, visit the gardens often. You'll get to meet like-minded friends who may share the same interests as you. In Singapore, and if you do visit Singapore, if you're not from Singapore, check out the Singapore Botanical Gardens, the Garden by the Bay, the Hot Park. And these are places where the gurus usually hang out, right? So you never know, you might just meet one of them. And also there will be like free talks, like free workshop once in a while where you can sit in and learn more about gardening. So there you go, 5 ways to meet new gardeners. You don't have to coop up at home and tend to your plant. Gardening can be a social hobby. Go out and meet more people, go out and meet more gardeners, and make your hobby a lot more interesting. If you want to learn more about gardening, you want to learn how I do my gardening, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because every week I will post new videos to help you to become a better gardener. So go on, click on the subscribe button below, and until next time, I will see you in my next video.